you still stuck using old, time-consuming methods to get your work done? If you're not using ChatGPT yet, you might be falling behind. Picture this, you're creating a PowerPoint presentation and instead of spending hours finding the right content and designing slides, ChatGPT does it in minutes. It's like having a super efficient assistant helping you with blogging, coding, marketing, and many more, all in real time. And that's why ChatGPT is taking the world by storm. It helps you speed up your work and make your task easier. So in this course, I'm going to show you the top 5 ChatGPT courses from SkillUp by Simplilearn and show you how you can use the ChatGPT to simplify everyday work. Here's what we'll cover. At first, we have these powerful courses. ChatGPT for digital marketing, you learn how to create content for blog, ads, and social media in minutes. Then we have ChatGPT for data analytics, where you learn how to analyze data and turn insights into action. Then we've got UI UX design with ChatGPT, where you will improve designs and enhance user experiences. We've got ChatGPT for coders, where you can speed up coding and simplify complex tasks. And at last, we'll have a look at ChatGPT for cybersecurity, where you learn how ChatGPT helps in threat detection, password management, and incident response. And that's just the beginning. We'll also offer digital courses for each category, giving you more opportunities to boost your productivity and creativity in areas like design, coding, marketing, and many more. So let's get started. With our first course, which is Master Digital Marketing with free ChatGPT courses. Now, if you're ready to take your marketing skills to the next level with the Master Digital Marketing with free ChatGPT course, you will learn how to leverage the marketing efforts. So whether you're creating content, running ad campaigns, or enhancing customer engagement, ChatGPT can help you work smarter, not harder. This course is your chance to learn how to make AI work for you, creating better content, analyzing insights, and delivering results. Now, talking about why should you consider this course. First of all, it will help you maximize your marketing impact using AI-generated insights for more targeted campaigns. Second of all, it will help you create compelling content faster and more efficiently with the help of ChatGPT. You can also engage with your customers on a deeper level, driving stronger relationships and loyalty. You have free access to this course plus a completion certificate to add to your resume. And at last, it's beginner friendly, no prior experience is required, so you can start up with this course even if you have no idea about this. Now let's move on and talk about what does this course includes. First of all, this course includes 2 hours of self-paced video lessons. You learn at your own pace and revisit lessons anytime. You'll also get a completion certificate to show off your new skills with a certificate after finishing the course. And then you'll also get 90 days of free access so you can enjoy full access to all the lessons for 3 months. Now let's talk about what will you learn in this course. So you will learn how to leverage ChatGPT for creating effective digital marketing campaigns. You learn using AI for content creation. You can generate blog posts, ads, and social media with ease. You'll also learn how to target marketing strategies, understand how to use ChatGPT to analyze audience insights and improve engagement. You'll also learn how to optimize customer interaction. You can use AI to automate responses and create a personalized customer journey. Now let's talk about who should take this course. First of all, if you're a marketing enthusiast or are looking to level up the digital marketing game, this is for you. Or any small business owners who wants to maximize their marketing efforts with limited time and resources. This course is for anyone looking to understand how AI is transforming digital marketing and gain a competitive edge. So let me show you the course over here. So you can simply go to Google and search for Simplilearn ChatGPT Digital Marketing SkillUp, and here you can get this course from here. I'll show you one thing. So as you can see in the explore page, you've got these options, generative AI tools. So you have this ChatGPT option, right? So I'll just go here and then you can have a look of the ChatGPT for digital marketing. You also have automate WhatsApp with the help of ChatGPT. So it's not just about ChatGPT. You'll also get to learn many other technologies like how you can automate WhatsApp with ChatGPT. So let's just have a look at this course from here. So here is the course. You can just simply click on start learning, and this is the completion certificate which you'll get. And these are the topics which you'll be learning in this course. And this is the about of the course. You can discover how to leverage ChatGPT in different marketing strategies, basic understanding AI-generated insights, content creation with NLG, which is natural language generation, optimizing marketing strategies, personalized customer interactions. Talking about the benefits, you'll get enhanced marketing skills. You can create efficient campaigns. You can engage content creation, personalized customer interaction, adaptability, career advancements, and many more. So you can get a free access of 90 days and the completion certificate. So let's click on start learning just to show you how you'll be redirected to this website course from here. Alright, so just have to sign up with your Google account. So after you click here, you can just select continue learning for this one. And this is how the interface would look like. So first we've got this introduction and you can just simply play from here. And then after you complete all these topics, then you'll just get this certificate. But in order to get the certificate, you have to complete at least 85% of the self-learning videos. And then here you also get the option to upgrade, like suppose you want this program to pursue, which is from the Purdue University. You can also explore this program as well. So that was for this video, and yeah, let's talk about what options do we get with digital marketing. So we had this automate WhatsApp with ChatGPT. So you can search any particular topic which you want to leverage using ChatGPT. You just get it from here, as you can see. Introduction to ChatGPT API, prompt engineering with ChatGPT for project management. So it's covered for different other categories as well. So talking about, we also have ChatGPT for YouTube video creation, ChatGPT for search engine optimization, and many more. So there are plenty of courses covered here using ChatGPT. So this is the best platform if you really want to use and learn how to use AI tools and integrate it with your marketing skills. Now let's talk about the second course on our list, which is free ChatGPT for data analytics course. Now, if you want to take your data analysis skills to the next level, in this free ChatGPT for data analytics course, you will discover how to use ChatGPT to unlock insights from your data and present it in a way that makes sense. So whether you're new to ChatGPT or looking to sharpen your data analysis skills, this course will teach you how to use AI to analyze and visualize your data effectively without getting lost in complicated formulas. Now let's talk about why should you consider this course. First of all, this course will help you to get easily extracted insights from your data using ChatGPT. You'll also help to visualize your findings to make your data clear and actionable. You'll also work smarter and not harder. You can leverage ChatGPT to automate time-consuming tasks. You also get free access to high quality content and a completion certificate. And then this course is perfect for beginners. You don't have to need any prior experience. Now talking about what does this course include. So this course will include 1 hour of self-paced video lessons. You can learn at your own pace and revisit whenever needed. You'll get a completion certificate, as I told you before, and then 90 days of free access. And let's talk about the syllabus covered in this video. So first we've got this introduction to ChatGPT, where you learn how to understand ChatGPT and how it works and how you can help it with data analysis. Then you'll also learn using ChatGPT for data extraction. You can learn how to pull meaningful insights from your data effortlessly. Then we've got this data visualization, where you can discover how to present your findings in a clear visual way with ChatGPT's help. And then we've got these practical examples where you can apply real-world data analysis scenarios to enhance your skills. Now talking about who should take this course, if you're someone aspiring data analyst or looking to learn how AI can assist with analysis, this course is perfect for you. Then we've got for business owners who need to make data-driven decisions with minimal effort, and also if anyone is interested in data analytics and if they're looking for an easy beginner-friendly introduction to using ChatGPT, this is perfect choice for you. So let me show you the course from here. This is the ChatGPT for data analytics course, and you'll just the skills which you learn is data querying, data visualization, integrating ChatGPT, which I already told you before. And then who should learn this free ChatGPT course is if you want to become a data scientist or a machine learning engineer or aspiring data analyst, data engineer, research analyst. This is perfect choice for you. And these are the syllabus, and this is the certificate which you will get, and so that you can also add in your resume. And you can see that the expected size of global big data analytics market by 2028 is predicted to be $650 billion. And you can get an average salaries around 14.4 lakhs per annum in India and around $123,000 in USA. So these are the about to course which you can just see from here. Also in the explore section, you can just head over to this data science and category. So you can just have a look at the different various categories, the data fundamentals. So you've got data analysis and so many things. It's not just data science, Power BI also we have MS Excel, data visualization. So let's just click on this MS Excel. So you also have this Excel automation using ChatGPT. So you see, you can just not use the old ways of just using the Excel, Tableau, Power BI. So now it's high time you start using ChatGPT and AI tools. Now let's talk about the third course on our list, which is website UI UX designing using ChatGPT. So if you have ever dreamt of designing a website but you don't know how to code, this free tutorial on website design using ChatGPT for beginners is just what you need. You don't have to be a software developer to create beautiful website from scratch. Now with the help of ChatGPT as your design assistant, you learn how to build any design websites with zero coding required. This course will guide you step by step on how you can use ChatGPT and other tools to bring your website ideas to life. Now talking about why should you consider this course. So first of all, you can create websites with ease, that is no coding required. Then you can learn from the ground up. It's perfect for beginners with no prior web design experience so that anyone can just start with it. You can also harness the power of ChatGPT for designing and creating websites very quickly. You also get free access to high quality learning content and a completion certificate as well. Then you'll also get the 90 days of free access, which I already told you before. And this is perfect for any beginner who wants to just start learning UI UX designing with the help of ChatGPT. So now let's talk about what does this course include. So it includes as the same 1 hour of self-paced video lessons. You can get comfortable with website design at your own speed. You can get a completion certificate and the 90 days of free access. Talking about the syllabus, so you'll get to learn Midjourney for web design, and where you can create stunning visuals and elements for your website without any design software. You can also use ChatGPT queries where you can learn how to make effective queries to ChatGPT to get the design help which you need. And then we have the Editor X for designing web pages. You can dive into Editor X and learn how to build professional websites with ease. Now talking about who should take this course, so first of all, any online business owners who's looking to create their own website without hiring a developer, this is your perfect go-to tool. Second of all, students who are wanting to add a useful skill to their toolkit, it's perfect for them. Or any software enthusiast or anyone interested in learning web design in easy and no code required. So let me just show you the course. So this is the course, Website UI UX Designing using ChatGPT. You can become a UI UX designer, and Midjourney, Editor X for web design, ChatGPT queries. These are the skills which you'll get to learn. And talking about who should be learning, so students, software enthusiasts, which I already told you before. These are the syllabus, and yeah, that's it. So you can just have a look at this related courses also, Introduction to GenAI Studio, Introduction to Prompt Engineering, Fundamentals, and so many courses here. Now let's talk about the fourth course on our list, which is free ChatGPT for coders course. So if you're looking to enhance your coding skills with AI, then the free ChatGPT for coders course is designed to help you use AI to improve your coding efficiency, automate tasks, debug errors, and generate optimized code. So whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, this course will guide you through AI-assisted coding, prompt engineering, API integration, and many more. Talking about why should you consider this course. So first of all, it involves automate repetitive coding tasks. So you can save your valuable time, quickly debug, and you can fix your errors with AI-powered assistant. You can optimize your code for better performance and efficiency. You can learn prompt engineering to make coding with AI even faster. And then you will get the free access to high-quality video lessons. And it's very perfect for beginners who do not even have coding knowledge prior. And talking about what this course includes, so it includes 1 hour of self-paced video lessons, completion certificate, and 90 days of free access. And the syllabus covered here is the first one. You'll get to learn AI-assisted coding, where you will know how to use ChatGPT to improve your code. And then you learn the prompt engineering, learn how to ask ChatGPT the right queries and the questions for better results, code debugging and error fixing. You can fix issues faster with AI's help. Then you'll also learn code optimization and performance enhancement, API integration as well. So now let's talk about who should take this course. So first of all, any software developers who's looking to streamline the coding process, or the automation engineers who want to speed up the development, AI assisted developers who are looking to use AI for better coding practices, this course is for you. So here is the course. You get this ChatGPT for Coders thing, and these are the syllabus and the skills which you'll get to learn. And the salary structure, it's around 10 LPA minimum, and in the US it's around $105K. Also, just one more thing, it's not just about free ChatGPT courses for coders. We also have other courses like ChatGPT for Python and ChatGPT for Finance, advanced course. You'll also learn this introduction to lead code with ChatGPT, web development with ChatGPT, customer support, and many more. ChatGPT API, prompt engineering. So we have covered a variety categories in the software development as well. Now let's talk about the last course on our list, which is the free ChatGPT for cybersecurity course. Now, if you want to discover how AI can boost your cybersecurity skills, this free ChatGPT course for cybersecurity, you will get to uncover how ChatGPT will help you safeguard digital assets by automating key cybersecurity tasks, from threat detection to incident management and compliance. So this course will teach you how ChatGPT is transforming cybersecurity. Now, whether you're new to ChatGPT or already exploring the role in security, this course provides the essential insights you need to protect your digital environment effectively. And talking about why should you consider this course, so first of all, it will help you understand ChatGPT's role in the cybersecurity team, where you can learn how it can help and detect the threats. You can also automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency in cybersecurity operation. You can gain hands-on knowledge in areas like vulnerability management and security compliance as well. Then you'll also get the free access to quality learning materials and a completion certificate to show your expertise. And it's really perfect for beginners. So whether you're just starting your journey in cybersecurity or you're looking to enhance your skills, this course is perfect for you. Now let's talk about what does this course include. So it's the same as before, as we have discussed, 1 hour of self-paced learning video, completion certificate, and 90 days of free access. So let's talk about the syllabus covered in this course. So you learn threat detection and analysis, understand how ChatGPT can assist in identifying and analyzing threats. You also get to learn the incident response, where you can learn how ChatGPT can automate responses to security incidents. You can learn the security automation as well using ChatGPT, and then we have vulnerability management. You can also discover how to leverage ChatGPT for managing and fixing vulnerabilities. And then you also have the security and compliance, where you can learn how ChatGPT can help ensure your system stays compliant with security standards. Now, talking about who should take this course, then if you are aspiring to become a security analyst or looking to enhance their skills with AI-driven solutions, this course is perfect for you. Or penetration testers who wants to incorporate AI in their security testing methods, or any security engineer aiming for automating and optimizing their security workflows, this course is perfect for you. Or even a security automation engineer who are looking to streamline tasks with the help of AI. So guys, that's a wrap up on this video on top 5 ChatGPT courses for everyday work. Let me know which course excited you the most in the comment section below. Thank you, and keep learning with Simplilearn.
Staying ahead in your career requires continuous learning and upskilling. Whether you're a student aiming to learn today's top skills or a working professional looking to advance your career, we've got you covered. Explore our impressive catalog of certification programs in cutting-edge domains, including data science, cloud computing, cybersecurity, AI, machine learning, or digital marketing. Designed in collaboration with leading universities and top corporations, and delivered by industry experts, choose any of our programs and set yourself on the path to career success. Click the link in the description to know more.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.